Thing's not videoing, are you? There you are. Well, yeah. That was a job and a half getting that in here, though. Jeez. Nobody would have believed it had they saw us moving this thing the way we did.
Yeah. Oh.
Never believe it.
Oh, was it hard to get there?
Oh, yeah. No, it wasn't hard at all.
There
Yeah,
wasn't
right.
anything on this radio that was easy.
We have dollies, straps, we use an engine hoist, use everything we had here. Jeez. Bottle jacks of our grandfather. I mean, jeez. Who would have thought it would take all that? But it's here. It got back in the radio room, so. Well, at least this wall now looks impressive anyway with everything on it. So, we'll see.
Yeah, actually that'll work out okay swapping those. It just means another couple of hours work. But no
swapping the cables out, yeah.
I think the knockouts I have in the toolbox are the same size. So those will work. Come on.
Yeah, he never damaged anything even.